Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 29. Quaestio vicesima et nona. Qua ratione participe se fecamur, redemptionis per Christum acquisitae, responsio, redemptionis per Christum acquisitae participes efficamur, eustem nobis efficaci per spiritum eius sanctum applicatione. Now the question, qua ratione, by what reason, in what way do we become efficamur, partakers or participants? Efficamur is a first plural, present, indicative, and passive verb. The verb is facio, and then it's compounded ex facio, which becomes, by assimilation and a vowel change, efficio, like so, efficio, efficere. And here it is in the passive. In what way are we made partakers, redemptionis? Participes here plus the genitive. Do we become participants or partakers of the redemption? And what kind of redemption is it? Well, redemptionis, which is a feminine genitive singular, is modified by acquisitae in the same gender, number, and case, feminine singular and genitive, of the redemption, the one that was purchased or acquired, acquisitae, through Christ, per Christum. And then the preposition per, always and only with the accusative, Christum, masculine singular accusative. And now the answer. Of the redemption, redemptionis, feminine singular genitive, the one that acquisitae was purchased through Christ, per Christum. So acquisitae modifies redemptionis. It is a perfect passive participle from the third conjugation verb acquiro, acquirere, of the redemption purchased through Christ, participes efficamur. We are made partakers or participants. How does that happen? It happens this way, efficaci applicatione. So of the same thing, meaning that redemption, the antecedent of eustem is redemptionis, of the same to us by the effectual application, as the English has it. So both applicatione and efficaci are feminine singular and ablative, and this noun, applicatio, is a third declension, feminine, applicatio, applicationis. So of the same, meaning that redemption, to us by its effectual application, nobis in the masculine plural dative. So by the effectual application of it to us, per spiritum sanctum eius, through the Spirit, the Holy Spirit, through His Holy Spirit, that is, through Christ's Holy Spirit. And again, as I said with per, it takes always and only the accusative. So spiritum is a fourth declension noun, masculine, singular, and accusative, modified by sanctum of the same gender, number, case. And eius, in the masculine, singular, and genitive, has as its antecedent Christ. Here's an image of another member of the assembly, Samuel Bolton, who lived from 1606 to 1654 and was one-time master of Christ's College, Cambridge.